Hi, I'm Michael.
I'm Will.
And we are two qualified chefs.
Legit chefs.
Now, we've seen on social media that a lot of people are asking Woolies if they sell something called a steamed ham.
We don't.
Yeah, because that's absolutely not a thing.
Not real.
But we do listen, so we thought we'd take some time today to show you, if you'd like to know, how to steam a ham.
And we'll steam a good ham. Grab your ham, put it in.
It's almost like that food steamer wasn't built to hold a whole ham, but here we are.
Also, it burns.
What have they given us to work with here?
Yeah.
We've got some tomatoes, lettuce, onion, buns, pickles, mayo. We have 64 slices of American cheese. That is a lot of cheese.
Seems a bit excessive.
And something called catsup. Is that just tomato sauce? And 2 knives they've given us.
It's pretty great.
All right, let's kick on, shall we?
Yep.
Now, to prepare this, we've already chopped up our tomatoes. I'm going to chop up the onions now.
Just get my goggles. Just chop the onions. Ah, my eyes! The goggles do nothing! No, they actually work.
While we wait. All right, time for the ham. Just, can you get that?
Yep, all right. There you go. Okay.
You assemble that. I'm just going to carve up a bit of the old steamed ham.
Lettuce, tomato, onion.
Cheese, people like cheese.
Cheese. Pickles. Just a little bit of expression. Express yourself.
Yep. And then all that's left is this bit of steamed ham. Now it's time for the taste test.
Yep.
Get into it.
Go.
How does it taste?
I have to go now. My planet needs me.